Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Volvo XC90 with key updated. Start by standing at the driver door with the fob in hand and press unlock once while within a few meters of the car. If the car remains locked, hold the unlock button for 2 seconds to trigger passive unlock. If that still fails, remove the physical key blade and slide the hidden key slot cover to access the mechanical lock. To access the trunk, press and hold the tailgate button on the key fob while standing behind the vehicle to activate the power tailgate. If the battery or power function is dead, use the manual release handle located under the tailgate lip to lift it. For emergency situations, open the glove box and use the trunk lock override if your model includes one. Always ensure the tailgate area is clear before operating. If your fob does not work, start by replacing the battery with a CR2032 cell and retest the unlock function from a few meters away. If the issue persists, try swapping fobs to confirm a fob fault versus a vehicle fault. For persistent vehicle side problems, inspect the central locking fuse and consult the owner manual for pairing instructions if you need to reprogram or add a new key fob to the car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.